The biggest concern about Redmi Note 8 Pro was that it will not support Google Camera because of its Mediatek processor. But thankfully some brilliant developers has now made a working Gcam for Redmi Note 8 Pro. This video is divided into two parts. The first part is how to install this Google camera on your Redmi Note 8 Pro perfectly, and the second part is the comparison between the camera output of the stock camera app and the Google camera. Hi, this is Femil from FMJ.com. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button now itself, and let's get right into the video. Okay, the part 1, how to install Google camera on your Redmi Note 8 Pro. First, download the Gcam APK and a XML configuration file from the link down in the video description. Then install Gcam APK on your Redmi Note 8 Pro and open it. Now you can only see this blank interface. Go to More, Settings, click on Save Setting option and enter any name for the configs. Now go to File Manager and copy the XML file that you downloaded from the description and open Indian storage, Gcam, configs and paste it here. Now go back to Gcam application and double tap on the blank space near the shutter button and select the XML file that you recently pasted on the configs folder and click Restore. That's it, now your Gcam is ready in action. This Gcam supports almost everything: your main camera, macro camera and the wide angle camera. The video mode doesn't work as of now, but the developers are still working on it, so in the future updates it will be ready. The link in the description has the latest version always. Okay, part 2, let's compare the camera output between the new Gcam and the pre-installed stock camera app. As we know, the Gcam images will be really good compared to the stock camera most of the time. Here the stock camera images overexposed everything, and see the saturation. The stock camera images is highly saturated. But when it comes to the Gcam output, the exposure is right and it's not oversaturated the image. So we get more detail on Gcam output. But most of the Gcam images I took have some sort of a bluish tint like this, which greatly affects the color reproduction. In some cases the stock camera image creates a better image output, but most of the time Gcam wins. When it comes to the low light images, the stock cam lights up the focused object little bit more than the Gcam, but the overall image quality is more for the Gcam low light images. For selfie images, stock camera is better. The details in the Gcam selfie images are bit higher compared to the stock camera app, but we all like to see us more beautiful on selfies. So stock camera app is best for that. If you are a Note 8 Pro user, I hope this video helps you a lot. Let me know what you think about the images in the comment section. So that's been it. My name is Vimal and see you guys in the next one.